So mga kapatid, nandito tayo ngayon sa rotonda ng Davao Coastal Road sa Times Beach area at sa mga kalahating kilometro din mula doon sa roundabout palabas sa Ecolan sa Tulip Drive ay andito yung minor bridge. Bago pa man yung 1 kilometrong tulay na gagawin sa likuran natin. At yung inaakala natin doon na may railings na mukhang tulay, tingnan, hindi pala tulay yun. Ito yung tulay, minor bridge. At meron siyang load limit na 17 tons at saka 27 tons. Yung para sa mga malalaking truck. Kaya siya may minor bridge dito para may lagusan itong tubig dito. Meron din isang coastal road kasi ito, kaya may mga fishing community dito. Kaya handa na yung dalawang ano doon, mga giganting heavy equipment, yung crane at saka itong drilling rig. Ang projected date of completion nito, ano ito from November to November 2023 at saka 2024. So mga isang taon din ang tatrabahuin bago tayo magkaroon ng 1 kilometrong tulay doon sa unahan. At saka tayo aabot na doon sa Bukana. Hanggang Rafael Castillo. Kung dito mo tatanawin ay malapit na talaga siya. Kaya na ito mga 1 kilometro aabot na ito doon. At kukonekta na siya doon sa Barangay Limao. Yan pala, yan ang Barangay Limao. Samar man ito. At so, ito na nga, ang tawag nila sa billboard nila ay Project Information Sign. Samal Island this side, Davao City this side. Saka yung dagat, yan yung Pakiputan Strait. Of course, all network of roads are interconnected. You can start with within a 1 kilometer radius up to 100 kilometer radius and up. That's why it's called a road, it's called a highway, because it is all interconnected. So, itong Davao City Coastal Road ay isang magandang connector road din sa Samal Bridge. So, with the bridge, the official title of the bridge is Davao River Bridge. With that connector bridge, buong 18 kilometrong Davao City Coastal Road ay iyon ang madadaanan. From end to end. Iisang segment na lang itong buong 18 kilometers. Sa ngayon, nahati ito sa segment 1 kung saan tayo naglalakad At yung tutulayin dyan, papuntang segment 2 hanggang Rafael Castillo Street. So, hopefully in 1 year, they can complete the bridge or even less, because we expect a faster kind of engineering starting the China Road and Bridges Corporation. So CRBC, the China Road and Bridges Corporation, is the same outfit that will be building for us the 1 kilometer long bridge, Crossy Bridge na yon, sa Davao side at saka yung sa Samar side, at saka itong kung magkano yung halaga ng gagawing tulay. Kasi from one city to another city, from Davao City galing Barangay Lisada, aabot siya hanggang Barangay Limao. That is only a 1 kilometer long crossy bridge. Yung isla na yan yung tutulayin dyan sa Pakiputan Strait. It is only 1 kilometer long, the crossy bridge itself, but it will bring to the people of Davao City and the island garden city of Samal, Igacos, a much longer term of economic benefits. Yan yung papel ng tulay na yan. Kahit na 1 kilometro lang yan, pero malaking bagay yan sa ating ekonomiya dito sa Davao City, Igacos directly to benefit, and then the rest of the Davao region and all of Mindanao, the Visayas and Luzon. Lagi nating binabanggit na 1 kilometro lang yan, pero malaking trabaho pa rin yan. At saka the longest sea crossing bridge that we know today that is made in China is the one that is already completed 2011, the one that will start from Hong Kong and then cross to another island of China and then to mainland China. And the length of that longest sea crossing bridge is 54 kilometers. Gaano kalayo yan? Kung mag-umpisa ka dyan sa City Hall ng Davao, aabot na ng Tagum, Davao del Norte, ang haba ng tulay na yan. Tinanggal na yung tali dahil naikabit na yung rig doon sa lalaking bolt ang ginamit to. Ito yung dalawang heavy equipment. Yung drilling rig at saka yung tandem niya na crane. Ito yung mga unang sasabak at pinaka-importanting mga gamit sa mabigat na substructure work.